A very good morning to all. So this is my next tutorial. We will talk here about Java. So today's objective is we will Java and where do we use Java. So these are the key objectives for today. Let's move forward. Java is an object-oriented language and it is similar to C++ with advanced and simplified features. It is a programming language as well as it provides the operational platform also. While working with mobiles and pagers, we need some application that can handle the messaging system. At that time, there was a team of computer professionals who were working under the guidance of James Gosling, and they were thinking of some such kind of application. So they created a new language, you can say a very popular language nowadays, and that is a Java. And one of the most important feature is here that it is a platform independent programming language. That means you can run once you have written the program code, and then you can run your program on any platform like any of the operating system. So that's why it is a key feature of the Java language. Now I have written one term here, write once, run anywhere. That means you have to write the program code at one time and you can run it all across any of the platform, that is operating system. Then, then all of you need to run Java program. You need a simple Java environment in your device and you can run the Java program. It is not only a programming language, it also provides a operational platform. That means, I'm repeating it again, it provides an operational platform. That means it provides us a simple virtual environment where you can run various Java programs. Once you have this virtual environment, without any hesitation, hassle, you can run any Java program over here. Let's see the versions of Java. You can see here Java 1.0, that is named as Awk, released in January 1996. James Gosling develops Awk language for programming intelligent consumer electronic devices. They find a way of allowing different electronic devices such as TV, top box and controllers to use a common language. This was originally named Oct. Afterwards, as the versions came into the existence, their names has been changed. Like here, you can see for 1.1 they have kept Oct only, and after 1.2 then they have kept Playground, after that Kestrel and Merlin Zone. Now in March 2018 the latest version is here with us, that is Java 10. So in next slide we will talk about why Java is used nowadays, why it's so popular. So let's see. Here I'll make you understand about Java, that is most popular domain as well as the key factor which led you to high demand of Java developers. And that domain is the Android domain. Android is the most familiar operating system that is released by Google. But how many of you know Android application and Android operating system in itself extensive use of Java? Even the Android operating system are built using core Java still nowadays, using API features that Java has to offer. So you can see over here, Android, these are the applications that are basically used by the Android domain, where Java is used. We cannot say that Java is fixed only to these features. Java is used everywhere. So let's go through most influenced domains by Java. But don't understand that Java is used in these domains only. It is used everywhere, from your phones to satellites till your TV setup boxes. These all applications are developed using Java. Nowadays, the big data is the most preferred framework that is extensively still uses the Java API, and you can say it is the most popular and most trending technology. Here, the key concept of MapReduce is also used. So next is the stock market. In stock market applications, we people are using the algorithms. Algorithms are used to write down the instructions, set of instructions on which your applications are based. Algorithms are help you to understand Java, which stopped by design using Java as a core feature. These applications used in stock market is built using Java. Next is the banking. In banking, we all perform different types of transactions online, and these transaction processings and transaction managements involve Java as security feature. Next is the retail. Whenever we people used to go to the supermarkets, malls, shopping, and there wherever the billing is happening, the billing applications that are also developed using as a part of Java as core. Next is the retail. Retail we have done. Next is the IT, information technology. Most of the applications are based on the Java features, and due to this, many job opportunities are nowadays available in IT. If once you have gone through the IT, then you can just at the top of this line. Next is the scientific research. In scientific research, a lot of applications, large number of applications are performed, where large number of numbers are used to perform these applications. For this, for performing these type of calculations, our data needs to be more precise, more scalable, and highly powerful. Clear? So next is the financial services. Financial services, these are the financial domains, and they are used in the server side applications. So these are the basic, I am again telling you, these are the basic those domains, famous domains where Java is used.